As just indicated, you'll notice that I bought the TV special of Superzilla. It's a green product and I figured I'd give it a try and record the outcome. These rust stains have been on my Kohler generator since I bought it. As you'll see, just spraying a little bit onto the rust stain, and there's no time lapse here. I left this alone so that you could see it in real time, as it was actually a really good product. It wiped right off, and there's a couple other little crevices I also cleaned up, and as a result, was very good, as seen here for the price paid.